Now we're going to look at what happens when we have one continuous variable and one discrete variable. The data here doesn't really matter. I just picked it arbitrarily, so don't read anything into it. For that, we also go to fit y by x, and let's say we'll go, I don't know, weight as the y, and I don't know, this one as x. So notice that's going to have a discrete on the x, a continuous on the y. That gives us a one-way. So what is this? Now we have this nice little plot here with each category here and points here. And it says missing rows 21. And see, we have 390 there. So it tells us how many points we actually have, because some of the data was missing for one or both of the variables. So what can we do? We can do this, quantile, that gives us information about the spread of these guys. We can also do, we can plot the means, right? If we go to display options, right, mean lines, this will put a line at each of the means, see when they're bigger or less than the median. And then we can do quantile, I don't want to do that. We can display some other stuff too. Yeah, you can jitter the points, right? So there's some overlap. Well, we might not know if one category has more or less than in it, though these widths down here do tell us how big these categories were relative to each other. This 7 and this 1 are pretty skinny, which means there weren't as many points in these categories as were in the other ones. And I think we can also change that. See, if you uncheck x-axis proportional, you can just take that away, and then everything is scaled equally.